Hey guys, this is Jay. I've had some issues with my Husqvarna YTH 18K46. Had some rough idle and things going on. The other day it just quit right in the middle of mowing. It wouldn't stay running. So I looked into the parts. I ended up replacing the fuel filter. I replaced the carburetor and air filter. The carb I got from Amazon, it was like 35 bucks. Went on exact fit, no problems, no issues whatsoever. All the connections are exactly the same. So all in for like $60 or $75, I've got a whole new intake, carburetor, and fuel pump. When I did this fuel pump, I went ahead and replaced all of the squeeze clamps because I was having some leak issues. The other clamps were too old. Hope this helps.